Prince Mokotedi Mshe says Bheki Cele is corrupt and is prepared to go to Madlanga Commission to testify about Bheki Cele's corruption. Mokotedi Mshe is a former Hawks head. Let's listen to this clip.
The same things that I said in my labour court application, I will say them at the Madlanga Commission. The same thing that I said during my during the labour, rather disciplinary matter, I will say them at the Madlanga Commission. I've said it in my disciplinary matter, point blank, that I think that Bheki Cele is corrupt. And that is why I was being charged out of nothing, basically. That particular thing, yes. The labor matter, the disciplinary matter that I was charged on, took 2 years. You see, after I was transferred, I fell sick. I struggled with anxiety and PTSD. I was home for 6 months. I went back, that is from around about August 2019 to February 2020. I went back to work on February 2020. 3 weeks, it was hardly 3 weeks that I was back from work. A day before lockdown, COVID lockdown, they gave me an envelope with all the frivolous charges. So that case took from March 2020 to around about March 2022. They got a senior counsel to be the chairperson. They got a senior counsel to be the employer rep. That we sat for more than 25 times, and you can imagine the amount of money that the state spent just for that.
Man, oh man.
case. We met 25
man,
times.
oh man. When you hear such things about the likes of Bheki Cele and of course and other ANC leaders, we are then left to ask but just one question. Who isn't corrupt within the ANC? I think the question has long moved away from who is corrupt in the African National Congress. It has now moved to a stage where we say, who isn't corrupt within the ANC? I mean, if you can have a situation whereby people who are police ministers, and they get to be accused of things that the likes of Bheki Cele and Senzo Mchunu are accused of, you then realize how much of a deep trouble we are in as a country. Then you then realize that actually the ANC has become a curse to us as a country. The ANC has become a curse to us as black people. It has become a threat to our own safety because its own ministers, can you imagine people who are tasked with combating crime, are the ones who are perpetrating crime, are the ones themselves who are involved in criminal activities. It is like we've reached a stage where now it's even beyond the words to try and describe it. We can only say one thing, that the sooner the ANC dies, the better for us as the natives of this land, as the natives of Azani. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Please, guys, help me to grow the platform by becoming a member like Sfiso Moja has done. And thank you, Sfiso, for that. Please, guys, join, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much, my Africa.